translate your document instantly in Google Docs. So here I have a text on English in English, and I want to translate, let's say, to my mother tongue, Indonesian or Bahasa Indonesia. So what you guys can do to translate it, you can just go to tools and here click on translate a document, and after that choose a language. Here I'm going to find Indonesia. Okay, so Indonesian here, and after that just click on translate and let the translate do the Google Docs do the magics, or Google Translate. See, so just wait. So this is the translated copy of my final paper here. And as you can see, now the file has been fully translated into Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesians. But to to be safe, I suggest you do double checking. So if you guys find some error, you can correct it manually on your own. Okay, guys, so that's the trick on how you can translate your document instantly in Google Docs. If you enjoy the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.